This tutorial guides you through creating a GraphQL API Proxy Component in Boomi. You'll learn how to set up the component, configure essential API details, and save your configuration to enable API proxy functionality. Begin by clicking the main menu to start creating a new component in Boomi. Click New Component to initiate the creation process for your API proxy. When prompted with what type of component do you want to create, proceed to specify your choice. Here we are using API Proxy Component. Search and click on API Proxy to designate the component as an API proxy. Click Create to confirm and begin setting up your new API Proxy component. Select GraphQL as the API type to configure a GraphQL API proxy. Fill in the toggle or option to enable the GraphQL API by entering on. Click the field labeled Published API Title required to enter the title of your API. Fill in the API title field with an appropriate name for your published API. Click the field labeled Published Version Number required to specify the version of your API. Fill in the version number field, for example 1.0, to indicate the initial version. Click on the Published Description required field to ensure focus for entering the description. This is an optional step. Click the Base API Path required field to specify the base URL path for your API. Fill in the Base API Path field with the appropriate URL path for your API. Click the Server section to configure server-related settings for your API proxy. Click the API Server URL required field to enter the URL of the backend API server. Fill in the API Server URL field with the backend service URL, for example http://www.exampleservice.com. Click the None option to configure or disable optional settings as needed. Fill in the toggle or option to enable a specific setting by entering on. Finally, click Save to save your GraphQL API Proxy Component configuration and complete the setup. You have successfully created and configured a GraphQL API Proxy Component in Boomi. Verify that all required fields are completed and saved. Next, you can proceed to test your API proxy or integrate it with other components.